When a tenant moves out, the clock starts ticking. Every day a property sits empty, its money down the drain. Today we're taking you on a job at Curry Court where a property owner faced exactly this challenge, a home left full of debris that needed to be cleared out fast. The mission was clear: get this property ready for the next tenant as quickly as possible to minimize vacancy costs. But this wasn't just a few bags of trash. Let's show you what we were up against. As we stepped inside, the scale of the job became apparent. Bedrooms were still filled with dressers, nightstands, and tables. In the hallways, scattered papers and boxes created an obstacle course. Dark curtains on the windows made the whole place feel heavy and enclosed, and everywhere you looked piles of clothes, shoes, and just stuff. The kitchen was a major hurdle. The refrigerator was a science experiment of old food and expired items. Cabinets were overflowing with cans, bottles, and forgotten supplies. The countertops were barely visible under a microwave, a blender, and an air fryer. Even under the sink, it was a jungle of cleaning products and chemicals. This isn't just clutter. It's a potential health hazard that attracts pests and creates foul odors. And then there was the basement. This space was even more daunting. The concrete floor was stained and cracked. Piles of black garbage bags were scattered everywhere, alongside a huge mound of clothing and fabric, plastic bins, old furniture, a TV. You name it, it was down here. Exposed pipes and peeling paint just added to the feeling of neglect. The task was simple in theory, but massive in practice. Remove everything, haul it away, and give the owner a clean slate. So how do you tackle a job like this? You start with a plan. Our first step is always assessment. We walk through every single room to map out the most efficient way to clear the space. We identified the large furniture pieces that needed to be broken down. Instead of just trying to wrestle a heavy dresser out the door, we strategically disassemble it. We remove the legs, take apart tables, and break down nightstands. This isn't just about making it easier to carry. It allows us to pack our trailer much more tightly, which saves space, reduces trips, and ultimately saves the homeowner money. After strategizing, we got to work. We always start with the most critical areas first, which in this case was the kitchen. We methodically emptied every cabinet and drawer. We completely cleared out that packed refrigerator and freezer, safely bagging all the old food for disposal. Cleaning out appliances and under-sink cabinets is a detail that many people overlook, but it's crucial for hygiene and preventing pests. As we moved through the rest of the house, we sorted everything. We separated items that were still in good condition for donation, because we believe in keeping as much as possible out of the landfill. Unusable clothing, papers, and general clutter were bagged up for disposal. We went room by room, bedrooms, hallways, bathrooms, systematically clearing every corner until the only thing left was open space. Finally, we tackled the basement. This was all about manpower and momentum. We loaded up the filled garbage bags, bagged the piles of clothing, and broke down the remaining furniture. In just a matter of hours, the dark, cluttered basement was transformed. You could finally see the floor and walls again. So what does it all add up to? In a single day, our team cleared and hauled away 9.5 cubic yards of debris from this home. That's a massive amount of material. At our transparent rate of $60 per cubic yard, the total cost for this complete house and basement cleanout was $570. Think about that for a moment. For less than the cost of 1 month's lost rent, this property owner got their entire property back clean, empty, and ready for the next phase. That includes the labor for the full clean out, the strategic breakdown of furniture, the careful removal of all the old food, and the responsible disposal and recycling of every single item. It's a smart investment in peace of mind and profitability. Now for the best part, the transformation. Before, this house was overwhelming. Bedrooms were packed with old furniture, hallways were blocked, and the kitchen was a biohazard waiting to happen. The whole place felt dark and disorganized. And after, clean, empty rooms with natural light pouring in, clear hallways. a sparkling kitchen with empty cabinets and clean countertops, ready for a new family, and a wide open basement with a clean concrete floor, full of potential. This is more than just a clean out. It's a fresh start. We didn't just remove junk. We restored the value and appeal of this property. You might be thinking, I could probably do that myself. And while the DIY spirit is great, a job of this size could take weeks of your time, not to mention the physical strain and the multiple, costly trips to the dump. Our professional team handled it all in a single day. It's the details that make the difference. We handle the furniture breakdown, the sorting for donations, and the safe disposal of hazardous items like old food and chemicals. We ensure everything is disposed of responsibly, recycling and donating wherever possible. For homeowners and property managers, it provides immediate relief and lets you focus on what's next. Are you a property owner facing a tenant turnover? Or maybe your own home has become overwhelmed with clutter, a packed basement, or years of accumulated stuff you just don't know how to tackle. You don't have to do it alone. At Billy Goat's Hauling and Property Preservation, this is what we do. We specialize in full house and basement cleanouts just like this one. We offer transparent pricing, professional service, and we handle every single detail so you don't have to. We'll give you your space back, clean and ready for whatever you have planned. If you're ready to reclaim your space, give us a call. We serve Louisville, Kentucky, and the surrounding areas. We'd be happy to provide a free, no-obligation consultation and show you what we can do. Thanks for joining us on this project. It's incredibly rewarding to see a space completely transformed. If you found this interesting or helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to see more of our work. We'll see you on the next job.